Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Tech Savvy Engineer. This is an unboxing video of Samsung M32 which is light blue in color. Here comes out the smartphone from the box. This is the charging cable which is a USB to Type-C charging cable. It is white in color. This is the charger which is a 15 watt fast charger adapter which charges 6000 mAh battery of the smartphone. Removing the plastic rubber from the USB cable and now inserting the USB cable in the power adapter. In order to check how it goes inside the adapter and check the length of the wire, your USB charger seems to be perfectly fine, keeping it aside. Grabbing the smartphone looks good. Removing the plastic wrapper of the smartphone. On the top there is a noise cancellation secondary mic. On the right there is a power button and volume rocker and a fingerprint sensor. There is a 3.5mm jack on the bottom and there is a SIM tray on the left hand side. Now taking the SIM ejector tool and inserting it in the SIM tray hole. Now the SIM tray has two nano SIM points and one micro SD card slot. Putting back the SIM tray. Now the screen is 16.21 cm full rectangular Infinity U display, which is FHD plus Super AMOLED display. Now the Samsung Galaxy branding is coming up with a Knox security. The front camera is 20 megapixel. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate, 800 nits brightness, and it has MediaTek Dimensity 720 processor. Now it has 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle camera, 2 megapixel depth camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. Now Android is starting. The welcome screen is coming. Start. We have to accept it. Next. Skip it. The Wi-Fi. Here is no, later. Just a second, date and time. Next. Now Google, accepting the clauses. Now fingerprint, I have to scan it. Before scanning, I have to enter the pin 1 2 3 4 5. Re-entering the pin 1 2 3 4 5, which is the password. Now we will have to enter the fingerprint in the fingerprint sensor. Giving the fingerprint 15%, 21%, 28%. Keep on giving. It will take up to 100%. Which has reached more than 70%. Okay, now next. Saying just a second. Now please wait. Okay, next. Skip it. You are all set up. Finish. Now okay. Next. The phone is finally started up. This is the Android phone with Android 11 working, 3.1 UI, and you can use all the apps. the drop down menu. Now we can see the drop down menu, increasing some brightness. Okay, the phone, about phone, the software. This is the Android 11 logo. Now checking some settings. Checking the fingerprint sensor. It is working fine and smooth. Now going to the settings. There is a device care. There is the storage, 25% storage used. The memory, checking the RAM. Now going back. Applying the dark mode, which is nice to the eyes. See the drop down menu. It is so soft and smooth. So smartphone is perfectly working. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you.